To learn about agent and multi-agent frameworks, the AI Genie is back to introduce and showcase the Autogen framework, just for you. Let's start this brand new series of video on agentic AI and more specifically on multi-agent frameworks. We'll inaugurate things with Autogen. So Autogen is a Python framework led by Microsoft Research, which allow creation of agents and configuration of discussions exchanged between these agents. It's an open source project. If you go on the GitHub page here, you can see it's under an open source license, which is MIT. And you have different patterns that you can organize. So you create agent, and you can have, for instance, agent customization. So here you see two different agents or three different agents speaking with different LLMs, right? Or you can have a conversational pattern like hierarchy, joint, or multi-agent conversation. And that's the demonstration that I will make right now in Jupyter Notebook. What I want to do is to have two different agents connected to two different LLM and having them discuss with each other. So here I import in Python the Autogen package. I configure the access to the LLMs. So the first one is OpenAI GPT-4 with my key, and I want this agent to have the specific capacity of a tool. And the second model that I will use is Gemma. That is running locally. So to run Gemma locally, what I will use is I'll use a specific piece of software that is called GenAI. It's a very nice software that allows with UI to run local models. I'll make a more detailed video on this product very soon. For now, just here I have a model, and I can discuss with the model. For instance, here, who are you? I'm Gemma. So okay, open weight AI. So everything is loaded and available. You can have several different models here. For now, here are the models that I downloaded and installed. What I want to use is the feature of GenAI that allows to start a server. It will be listening on this URL and on this port. So I start the server here. Here we go. And the server is available right now. Okay, so back now to my Jupyter Notebook demonstration. Here, let's move forward and declare the two agents. So the use case I want is to have two stand-up comedians that are exchanging jokes, right? So the first one is called Kathy. She's a stand-up comedian, and she will use a specific tool to make her first joke that must be made on cats by using the tool to get a fact on a cat and make a joke on top of it, right? Okay, I don't have any human input, human interaction, but that's possible to have a human in the middle with Autogen, right? Then the second agent, and I connect the agent with the OpenAI GPT-4 LLM. Joe will be connected with Gemma. His name is Joe, and start the next joke from the punchline of the previous one. So basically, they're exchanging joke, right? And they build a joke on top of each other previous joke, right? Now, here is the tool definition. So what I want to define is a call to the Mio fact external API to get an interesting fact on cats. If you go to the API here, you can see basically when you call the API, you have a fact, right? And then I create it here, and then I register the function, the API call, to Cathy. All right, and the executor will be Joe. Right now, to finish my demo now, what I do is I initiate the chat and I say, okay, Joe, when you initiate the chat, then you speak with Cathy. And you start with that. And I have a condition to stop the conversation between the two agents. That is a max turn. So I want 3 turns maximum on joke. I could have other condition to stop. So you see, it's a very easy, simple framework workflow. But let's run things now. So here you can see Cathy started as we asked. Then Joe started, sorry. Cathy took on and made the call to the getFact API and got this information. All right. And then on top of that, she's making a joke, right? Joe, I suppose it's safe to say that a cat might not be the most loyal pet. Whatever. I hope my boyfriend doesn't have a cat roaming ability. Now, Joe is making a joke on top of that. That's a great one. Cat puns already. I get a lot of flow. What's the deal with dating? Right. And now Cathy, oh man, dating. Where do I even start? And then, you know, dating and cats and whatever. And then the audience roars with laughter. All right. So I don't know about the AI humor, but what I wanted to illustrate very quickly here is the capacity of Autogen to declare a specific agent with specific capacities, different models, for instance, tool calling, but it could be anything else, and the capacity and the ability with Autogen to very easily define a workflow and have something going on with a simple conversation between two agents. So that's it for now. And in the next video, I'll visit and make demonstration of other multi-agent frameworks. Bye-bye. And that's it for now. Keep making wishes, and maybe the GenAI's lamp will fulfill them. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.